Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bassey and I'm a photographer based in the city of Abuja, Nigeria. I'm super excited to finally kick off my YouTube journey with you all. Me to be able to share my knowledge and a little I've been able to learn in my journey as a photographer. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with amazing people and explored beautiful places and also learned a lot in the process. And I want to share all of that experience with you. I'll be sharing tips and tricks, behind the scenes footage of my photo shoot and a deep dive into my editing process. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, you'll find something valuable here. I'll show you how I edit my photos step by step, from basic adjustment to advanced techniques, ensuring you get the best out of every project. So whether you're here to learn, get inspired, or you just enjoy the art of photography, you're certainly in the right place. Feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the comments section. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a future update from me. Thank you for joining me on this exciting new adventure. Let's create something beautiful and amazing together. See you in the next video.